Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Lior Tamir, and I'm the founder of the Dental App. If you're not familiar with our platform, we are a game-changing cloud-based practice management solution designed for the business-minded owner. Our solution is designed to simplify your workflow, save you and your team time, consolidate your long list of subscriptions, and most importantly, help you identify and act on opportunities to grow your practice. Our simple UI and navigation makes it easy and stress-free to learn. On the left-hand bar, you can access all the main navigation of the platform. Your schedule is directly connected to an online scheduling portal that you can completely customize and set up in minutes. You can add blockouts and block scheduling, and when an appointment request is received, the appointment slot is blocked off so you never have duplicate requests for a single slot. Because everything is built under one solution, there's zero manual data entry involved. Under messaging, you can access all the two-way text messaging, both automated, such as appointment reminders and reputation management, in addition to messages sent to and from patients and team members. What's nice is that patients can also send you images through the portal. For example, if a patient wants to send a photo for an updated insurance card, it shows up right in your feed. Our insurance claims dashboard streamlines your entire claims management workflow. Claims are automatically generated after an appointment is completed and the patient has an insurance policy. You can add your attachments, narratives, and pair your charts to a claim directly in the dashboard and submit it to the clearinghouse without ever leaving the app. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of all the outstanding claims and allows your team to be proactive in following up with claims that need attention. Errors show up in the dashboard, so gone are the days you need to log into your clearinghouse to troubleshoot a claim. Once a claim is paid, you can enter in all the payment information right in the dashboard to resolve the claim. You can keep track of all your pre-authorizations and be proactive when they come in. Using our claims dashboard, offices are getting paid faster and saving hours with streamlined efficiency, avoiding the need to juggle multiple solutions. In order to run a data-driven office, it was important for us to include an analytics dashboard. You can't grow what you don't measure, and our analytics dashboard is designed to give you a concise glimpse into your performance. Under the Overview tab, you can see the performance of your office with the most important KPIs for the current month. Under the Explore tab, you can dive deeper and see how new patients versus existing patients are contributing to your office performance for any custom timeframe. You can track what are your top producing codes and get insights into your production and collections. With our reporting solution, you can access your most important reports such as production, collections, AR, and day reports for audit and reconciliation. Under settings, you can customize all aspects of your practice, including your online scheduling. You can create custom forms, manage your fee schedules, set up custom accounting parameters, create clinical note templates, and our most exciting development, our App Store. Our goal is to become the open dental of the cloud and make it seamless to plug in your favorite third-party solutions that work with our platform. We currently have imaging, electronic prescriptions, and Mango for your phone lines integrated into our platform, with many exciting integrations going live in the coming months. Up top is where you'll find our patient chart navigation. It's seamless and intuitive. The Carver page gives you a quick view of the most important patient information. It includes completed appointments, upcoming appointments, and you can set recall schedules and even add freehand medical alerts on the fly. The Patient Info tab is where you can manage all the patient's information, such as address, phone numbers, communication preferences, and insurance policies. With a click of a button, you can get instant eligibility status, which is built in and included in your subscription. The Document Center is where you can easily upload documents to the chart. Under the account ledger, you can enter payments, set up payment plans, and print statements. And in Q1 of 2025, we'll be rolling out payment processing where you'll be able to seamlessly take patient payments and securely store credit card information for payment plans and balances. Under the Treatment Planning tab, you're able to create custom and prioritize treatment plans and collect digital signatures for accepted treatment, which saves right into the patient chart. The chart view is where you can view and manage the patient odontogram, add or remove treatments, add clinical notes, and access historical details. Our imaging integration is bridged with Soda Cloud, the premier cloud-based imaging solution. Soda is already built with a Pearl AI integration directly right there, so you can use the AI features that are cutting edge to continue to enhance your practice. Using Soda, you can take x-rays and intraoral photos directly into the cloud. You can even use your iPad to take extra photos, and it saves right into the patient chart. The Claims tab allows you to view and access resolved claims for the individual patient. Forms is where you can view all completed forms for a patient and also send out new patient form requests. You can send out consents and any forms that you want directly from this tab. Now let's get into the fun stuff. One of our unique features is our guided patient exam. Using this feature allows you to standardize and equilibrate your clinical workflows for new patients. This helps walk patients through their oral health journey, narrate the story, and help patients understand the why behind their treatment. It's designed to be used with an iPad so your assistant can help build out visuals and educate patients chairside. Using our guided patient exam allows you to make sure all patients get the same experience across your organization. We have some amazing automation features that automatically prioritize treatment based on urgency, condition, and quadrant dentistry. Our other game-changing feature is our PRM, Patient Relationship Management. Using this tool, practices are able to find undiscovered opportunities, activate, and market to their patients. Our PRM is divided into 4 sections. Under the first tab, you can segment patients by countless of attributes. Let's create a list of patients that are active, have been in the office since January 1st, 2024, need a crown, and are overdue for a cleaning. We can save this patient segment as a dynamic list that will keep updating as additional patients match this criteria, or save it as a list for a one-time campaign. Once you save the segment, you can manage all your segments in the Segments tab, whether they're dynamic or static. Treatment Pipelines allows you to create custom dashboards to keep track of patients that have outstanding treatment. You can create custom stages for each pipeline and attach segments to them. From here, your staff is able to text, initiate phone calls, log outside communication, snooze, and then eventually move patients down the funnel, taking them from a lead to a follow-up to scheduled and finally completed. After working with thousands of offices, the most sophisticated offices have always had a workflow to keep track of patients with outstanding treatment, but now there's finally a solution to organize the process. Using the pipeline, offices are reactivating patients and building their schedule and their production. Our broadcast feature is where you can launch one-time email and text campaigns or set up automated campaigns that get sent out anytime a patient is added to a dynamic segment. You can launch promotions, set up reminders, fill up your hygiene with all these powerful tools. As we continue to update our business features, the question becomes, can you afford not to have these tools? In every market where one of our offices operates with these tools, they outperform the competition. Let's talk about something really important, security and onboarding. Our security is best in class, and we require mandatory 2-factor authentication for every device, helping you ensure that only the right people have access to your office. Each office gets their own dedicated virtual server, so your performance is never impacted by other offices and your data is siloed in the cloud. We offer end-to-end HIPAA-compliant encryption, and we run our entire platform on Amazon's AWS HIPAA secure environment. Our onboarding is also game-changing. We support several PMS systems, but for specifically open dental and dentrix, we have built out custom data synchronizers that are truly world-class. We can onboard your practice data, including your financial data, and we match up your reports, AR, and patient ledgers down to the penny. All this in record time. We're able to spin up your new practice in days. Our support is best in class. We have 2 offices for support, one on the East Coast in Louisville, Kentucky, and one on the West Coast in San Mateo, California. Our team is well versed in dental operations and industry knowledge and are always responsive and ready to jump in and help. Stay tuned and reach out to us when you're ready to take your practice to the next level. Thank you.